Hello children, we are in first chapter large numbers, right? In that large numbers we studied up to how can we round the number nearest to 10, hundreds, thousands. In this class we will discuss about Roman number system. What is that Roman number system? See, the alphabets I, V, X, L, C, D, M are called Roman numerals. These alphabets, 7 alphabets are called Roman numerals. It represents the Hindu-Arabic number. This Roman numeral, it represents Hindu-Arabic number. See this I, it represents 1. V, it represents 5. X, it represents 10. L, it represents 50. C, it represents 100. D, it represents 500. And then M, it represents 1000. Okay, this system is called as Roman number system. These are the 7 alphabets. It represents Roman numerals and then Hindu-Arabic numbers. This system is called as Roman number system. And then some points you have to remember. See, first one, the symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. The symbol I, it can be subtracted from V and X. Next, the symbol X can be subtracted from L and C. The symbol X, it can be subtracted from L and C. And then symbol C can be subtracted from D and M. The symbol C, it can be subtracted from D and M. But the symbol V, L, D are never subtracted. These are all symbols can be subtracted from other symbols. But these V, L, D are never subtracted. Okay, this one V, L, D are never subtracted. You have to remember these some points. And then some rules are there. See, the rules of the Roman number system. First one, numerals I, X, C and M can be repeated to represent a number. Repetition means addition. I, X and C cannot be repeated more than 3 times. It can be repeated up to 3 times. This repetition means addition. This I, X, C and M can be repeated to represent a number. But these cannot be repeated more than 3 times. See here, example 1, I means 3. This equals to 3. X means X, it represents a 10. So here 3 X's are there. So this equals to 30. Okay, X equals to 30. And then C, it represents 100. So here also 3 C's are there. So this equals to 300. Okay, it can be repeated up to 3 times, but it cannot be repeated more than 3 times. This is about a rule 1. And then rule 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of a numeral of a greater value is always added to the greater numeral. A smaller numeral, see here example, V is a greater numeral because it represents 5, and then I is a smaller numeral, it represents 1, right? See, this smaller numeral written to the right of the greater numeral. We will write like this, greater numeral right means smaller numeral written to the right of a greater numeral means added to the greater numeral. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Here also see this L is a greater numeral, X is smaller and V is also smaller. 50 plus 10 plus 5 equals to 65. This means addition. Okay, next see one more. CX, C means 100, X means 10. Here also C is greater numeral and X is smaller numeral. If we write smaller numeral right of the greater value, it will become a next number. See, 100 plus 10 equals to 110. This is means about addition. D, M equals to 500 plus 100 equals to 600. This is about rule 2. Next about rule 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of a greater value is always subtracted from the greater numeral. A smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of a greater value. See here, this one is a smaller numeral, this one is a greater numeral. If we write that smaller numeral left of a greater numeral, it means subtraction. Okay, 5 minus 1 equals to 4. X means smaller numeral, L is greater numeral. L it represents 50, X it represents 10. If we write smaller numeral left of a greater numeral, it means a subtraction. 50 minus 10 equals to 40. Next, C, X. C means 100, X means 10. Right? X, C equals to 100 minus 10 equals to 90. This is about rule 3. If we write smaller numeral left of a greater numeral, it means a subtraction. If we write the smaller numeral right of a greater numeral, it means a addition. Okay, then about rule 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between the two numerals of a greater value, it is always subtracted from the greater numeral immediately following it. See, when a smaller numeral is placed between two numerals of greater value. See here, this one is a smaller numeral. Compared to these two numeral, this one is smaller numeral. We'll write this small numeral in between the greater numeral. It means a subtraction, means a next number. See here, 10 plus 5 minus 1. It represents 5 minus 1. This equals to 5 minus 1 means 4. 10 plus 4 equals to 14. Next here, x, x, I, x. This also in between the two greater value, means greater numeral. 20 plus 10 minus 1 equals to 29. C, x, x, I, x. C means 100, x, x, 10 plus 10 means 20, 100, 20, and then this one is 10 minus 1 equals to 129. A smaller numeral is placed between a two greater numeral, means subtraction from the greater numeral. This is about rule 4. These are the rules about Roman number system. Okay. Next about exercise. Exercise 1.10. In that exercise, Amen. Write the following in the Roman system. See, first one, 19. How can we write that number in a Roman system? See, how can we split that number? 10 plus 9, right? 19 equals to 10 plus 9. How can we write that 10 in a Roman system? 10 means x plus 9 means x minus 1 means I x. Right? This equals to x I x. The 19 equals to x I x. Understood now? Yes, right. Next, see. Second one. 36. How can we split this number? 30 plus 6. 30 means x, x, x. 3 times x, it equals to 30. And then 6 means v, I. Means 6. How can we write x, 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 v, I? Is this equals to 36. Next one, third one, you have to write 39. Next, fourth one, 40. 40 equals to 50 minus 10. Right? We cannot write like this 4 times x, because this x repeats up to only 3 times. It cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So we will write it as 50 minus 10. Right? 50 means L, 10 means x. How can we write now this 40 x L? Understood now? Next, fifth one, you have to write 66. 60 means 50 plus 10 and then 6. Right? 50 plus 10. 50 means L, 10 means x, 6 means v, I. Right? Like this, you have to split and write. Next, sixth one, see 47. 40 plus 7. 40 means xl plus v 2 times I. This equals to xl v I. 47. Next, seventh one, you have to write. Eighth one, see 75. 70 plus 5. 70 means L x x plus v. This equals to L x x v. Next, ninth one, 99. 90 means we cannot write like that. LXXXX means, because X it repeats only up to 3 times. Okay, see 99 equals to, we cannot write like this, LXX LXXXX, because L cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, it repeats only 3 times. So we will write like this, 90 means X, XC means X means 10, C means 100. 100 minus 10 equals to 90. And then 9 also, 1, sorry, IX. This equals to XCIX, 99. 9 also we cannot write like, because this I also repeats only up to 3 times. So we cannot write like that, 9 also like this. So this also we write like this. Okay, 90 plus 9, it equals to 99. Like this you have to write the Roman system in these numbers. Understood now? How can we write these numbers in a Roman system? Yes, next. Next about B main. Write the following in the Hindu-Arabic system. You have to write following these numbers, means these numbers are in a Roman numerals. You have to write these numbers in a Hindu-Arabic system. See, first one, XX, IX. XX plus IX. XX means 20 plus IX plus 9. Right? 20 plus 9 equals to 29. First you have to split the Roman numerals and then you have to write in a Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, second one also you have to write. See here, 3 times X is there, means 30. And then 5I is there, equals to 6. 30 plus 6 equals to 36. Right? See, third one also. X means 10. L means 50. This one is, X is left side of the greater numeral. It will become next number. You have to think and write this third one. Okay, this is equals to which number, you have to think and write. Next, fourth one, see, XLV1. XL, you have to split this number first. XL plus VI. XL equals to 40, VI equals to 6. 40 plus 6 equals to 46. Right? Next, fifth one, LXX plus 3 times I. L plus XXX plus 3 times I. L means equals to 50. 3 times X equals to 30. And then 3 times I equals to 3. 50 plus 30, 80 plus 3. 83. Sixth one you have to write. And then seventh one also you have to write. See, seventh one, LX. L means 50. X means 10. 50 plus 10 plus 1. 50 plus 10, 60 plus 161. Like this you have to write. Next, eighth one, XCV. XC means what? C means 100. Left side of a smaller numeral means subtraction. 100 minus 10 equals to 90 plus 5 equals to 95. And then 10th one, 9th one you have to write. 10th one, XLI. XL means 40 plus I equals to 141. Like this you have to write. Okay, you have to complete the textbook. And then about like worksheet, Mathletics A. Simply I am explaining this question paper. You have to complete in a textbook and classwork also. Okay, first one, write the number and number name for each abacus. Already you have studied about this. Okay, you have to count these beads in a this place value and you have to write the beads in a counting beads in this place. First one. And then second one also you have to write like this, and then you have to write a number name for that number. And then second one, write the number for the number name. Here they have given a number name. For this you have to write a numbers. Okay, next third one, written in expanded form. 5,54,308. You have to write this number in a expansion form. Next B, write in a standard form. Here they have given in a expansion form. For this you have to write in a standard form. 6 lakh plus 50,000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 4. Okay, next fourth one, write in ascending order. 66,305, 6,35,673, 6,35,099, 7,35,999. This one also you have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Like this you have to write in ascending order. Next one, descending order. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. 8,82,141, 99,898, 6,87,458, 9,10,110. First you have to arrange these numbers in a biggest number to smallest number to biggest number. Like this you have to write for this ascending and descending order. Next, round the numbers. A, food has to be arranged for 478 guests at a wedding party nearest to 100. Here they have given one number. You have to round this number to nearest 100. Okay, 478. You have to round the number to nearest 100. Next, the B, the population of town is 6065,301, nearest to 1000. You have to round this number nearest to 1000. Okay. Next, sixth one, A, write in a Roman system 98. You have to write this number in a Roman system. B, write in the Hindu Arabic system XLI4, I5. Okay, you have to write this number in a Hindu Arabic system. Next, seventh main mental maths. What is A, the place value of 5 in 458,639. See here 5 is in 1000 place, right? You have to write the place value of a 5 in this given place. You have to write place value of 5. Next, B, 1299, round to the nearest 100. You have to round this number nearest to 100. Next, C, 1299 rounded to the nearest 1000. You have to round this number nearest to 1000. Next, D, the predecessor of a 3 lakh. Predecessor means just before number you have to write. Next, E, the Roman numeral for 29. For this number you have to write in a Roman number. Okay. Next, mathematics B. First, MCQs. The estimated value of 1987 plus 5248 by rounding each number to nearest 10 is A, 7250, B, 7240, 7230, 7235. First you have to round this number nearest to 10 and then you have to add that numbers and then you will get the correct answer. Okay, next see, second one. How many lakhs are there in a million? Option A 1, option B 10, option C 100, option D 1000. Already I given in a textbook this one. You have to write. Next, third one. 45,789 is bigger than which of the following numbers? A, 2,45,789, B, 55,789, C, 46,789, D, 45,689. Bigger than which of the following numbers? You have to think and take. Next, fourth one. Which of the following is a valid Roman number? A, 4 times I is there. B, 3 times V is there. C, 3 times X is there. D, 2 times L is there. Here, which is the valid Roman number? You have to think and take. Okay, next. Higher order thinking. Fifth one. Answer the following question. A, what place is just to the right of the thousands place? Which place is comes just to the right of the thousand place? Which place? Just right which place after 1000, 100, right? Okay, next, what place is just to the left of the hundred place? Left of the hundred place, just place is 1000. Like this, you have to think and write. See, what place is just to the right of the 10,000 place? Next, D, what place is just to the left of the 10,000 place? You have to think and write for this answer. Next, sixth one, Deepu got 84 marks and Naina got 76 marks in a test. The teachers rounded off the marks to the nearest 10. Do you think it was fair for the teacher to do this? See, this is correct method. You have to think and write here answer. Deepu got 84 marks and Naina got 76 marks in a test. The teachers round off the marks to the nearest 10. Do you think it was fair for the teachers to do this? Next, seventh one, round 12,995 to the nearest 10, 100,000. What do you notice? First, you have to round nearest 10, 100 and 1000 this number. And then what do you have noticed in here? You have to write in this line. Okay, next, cross-curricular. Eighth one, the distance from the earth to the moon is 3,84,400 kilometers. Round this to the nearest 1000. Here they have given a distance from the earth to the moon, 3,84,400. You have to round this number to nearest 1000. Here you have to write. Next project, ninth one, find out the population of your city. You can use the internet site, this one website. In Google Chrome, you have to type this website. In that you will get the population in a 2011. Okay, here you have to write. Next, 10th one, life skill. You have to buy the following material for school: maths book rupees 29, geometry box rupees 24, box of CDs rupees 52, water bottles rupees 58. Approximately how much money will you need? Hint, estimate by rounding off to the nearest 10 and add. Okay, first you have to round this number nearest to 10 and then you have to add. Okay, here you have to do that problem. Next, fun activity, 11th one. You are a newspaper reporter. You get the following information. You have to use the information to write the newspaper headlines. Prepare a headline for each information by rounding the numbers. Okay, simply fun activity. Here spaces are given. First question also there. First one, 5,232 tourists visited your city this month, nearest 100. You have to round this number nearest to 100 and here you have to write. Next, B, 52,344 people watched a football match, nearest to 1000. You have to round this number nearest to 1000 and here you have to write. See, 456 people are affected by floods, nearest to 10. This one also you have to round the number nearest to 10. Okay, complete in this textbook and then in your classwork. Thank you, children.